Right guys, third generation Toyota Highlander. That's from 2014 to 2019. I'm gonna show you how to replace the battery. Okay, I'm spraying some WD-40. As you can see, we have some rust. Okay, it's gonna be 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter right here. And you can do it while the car is running or when it's shut it down. I'm gonna do it while the car is running. Okay, if you come over here, you're gonna see the top of battery 24. That's what we're gonna use. That's what we're gonna get. Sometimes you gotta measure the battery. Okay, but this will tell you what type it is. Okay, 10 millimeter here. Car is running right now, alright? Let's put it away. I'm gonna do this one right here. You don't need to go crazy with that. It has like a hook down there. I'll show you once I pull out the battery. Put this away. I'm gonna do this too. 10 millimeter. Now when the car is running, you kinda wanna do it fast because you don't wanna force the alternator. Alright. Out. Get the new one. Put it in there. Remove the cap. This guy in there. This guy in there. And good. You did it on time. Give it a few taps. Very much. Now we're just gonna tighten it. Just get it here. Wiggle it, make sure it's tight. Okay, I'm gonna tell you positive, positive, negative. This one it's not gonna tell you. Over here there's like a hole over there in this thing right here. That's where you're gonna put this clamp. Okay, it's gonna go through that plate like that. Play with it. Ensure everything aligns. Put the ball over here, 10 millimeter. Put you over there. Put you over here. Success. That's how you change the battery in this third generation Toyota Highlander. Alright, from 2014 to 2019. Any questions, put it in the comment box. Let me know how you feel. Tell me about your experience about this car. And that's pretty much it. Hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe. Shout out to my subscribers. Holla at your boy. Enjoy your new battery. See you.